Hey guys, C85 back with another video. I'm going to show how to install a gas tube into a gas block using some fancy tools that I ended up getting here. This is a gas block jig, for lack of a better term, from Forward Controls. I cannot tell you how awesome this thing is at keeping everything still. The entire process of installing a gas tube is actually quite simple, but hanging on to the gas block and getting it secure enough so you don't have to like position your hands a weird way or anything, this is a lifesaver. For those of you who know nothing about gas tubes and gas blocks, this is the gas block. The gas tube has a hole located here, and that coincides with the hole that is inside here. And that goes in just like this. And then these holes line up. Let's see if I move it. That's the gas tube. It's got a hole right there for putting the roll pin into it, therefore securing the gas tube. So when you put in your gas tube, you want to make sure that it goes up as if it's going over the barrel nut, right? So it's curving up, and you want to make sure that those two holes are lined up on the inside there. And as far as the other tools, I really like the tools that Geisley makes specifically for installing the gas tube. This is the starter or the holder, and you just kind of place the roll pin at the very tip, and you can give it a tap here, or you can give it a tap like this, but as long as it just kind of keeps it in place. And then you're just going to line it up right here. Always double check, make sure everything's lined up. And it is. And then make sure your starter is straight and the pin is straight, and then just start pounding it in. So after you got it started there, then you can finish up with a 1/16 punch or this Geisley tool. And you just want to make sure that it's even on both ends, so I'm a little proud on this side. Give it a couple more whacks. And there we go. So now that is perfectly installed, perfectly centered, and you can tell it didn't take very many whacks with how secure that keeps that. So that is how you install a gas tube into the gas block. Thanks for watching, guys.